Hello, smart mathematicians. Let's continue with our revision. We're looking at question 3.3.3. Right, we have read the information. If you did not do so, please make sure you read the information. Right, and also here we managed to find the coordinates of B. See, the coordinates of B is -4, -4. And then we managed to find the gradients of BE and the gradient of AB. And also we have the gradient of AC. Okay, but let's see if we're going to need that. So it says the coordinates of the point of intersection of the diagonals of parallelogram ACES, where S is a point in the first quadrant. The diagonals of the parallelogram ACE, and then S, it means somewhere here in the first quadrant. You see that? Okay, so it's ACES, and then it means it forms what? A parallelogram there. Okay, where S is a point in the first quadrant. We need to find the coordinates of the point of intersection of the diagonals of that parallelogram. Let's just have a rough sketch of our parallelogram. So it's going to be like this. So this is the parallelogram. And then we need the coordinates of the point of intersection of the diagonals. What do we know about the diagonals of what? Of a parallelogram. What do you know about diagonals of parallelogram? They bisect each other. It means this side, let's call this one maybe P. Let me say this is point P, or let me say point M. Right, it means MS is equal to MC. And then AM is equal to ME. So meaning that this point where the diagonals intersect is actually the midpoint of AE. You see that? Okay. So it's actually the midpoint of AE. We know the other properties. This is parallel to this. This is parallel to this. Right, let's find the coordinates of M. The coordinates of M, the midpoint of a line segment, are what? X. Okay, we have A and E here, so it's going to be XA plus XE divided by 2. And then we have YA plus YE divided by 2. Okay, so it means here is going to be this M, and then it's going to be what? 12 or -2 plus 12. -2 plus 12, or even if you say 12 plus -2 is still the same thing. Then 2, that's the x coordinate of the midpoint there. And then C is going to be 10 plus 0. 10 plus 0, okay, divided by 2. So which is M will give us, this is 5. 10 divided by 2 is 5. And then 10 divided by 2 is 5. So it means therefore diagonals intersect at the point 5, 5. Okay, that's what you're supposed to do there. So we're going to meet when we do question 341.